Hi students, welcome to the next session of current electricity competitive. In previous class, we discussed about power and bulbs connected in series parallel. I gave formulas and we are going to solve now example 23. See there, a 220 volts 100 watts bulb. 220 volts 100 watts. Bulb is connected to 110 volts. So 110 volt is the applied voltage. So this is rated voltage. Already we discussed. So always applied voltage should be less than rated voltage. If it is more means bulb is going to be fused. Already we discussed about that. So they are asking in A, calculate the power consumed by the bulb. So this is a bulb. It is connected to 110 volts. This is 220 volts, 100 watts. So we will be coming to 60 watts bulb, 100 watts bulb, like that. Now what is the power formula we can find? Power is equal to V square by R. So power in the bulb they are asking. Resistance of the bulb. So this bulb will be having some resistance value. We should come to know what is the resistance because they gave voltage and power. Voltage and power. This is applied voltage. This is voltage of the rated voltage of the bulb. So we should not get confused. Okay. Now what is the power, voltage and resistance relation? So already we can know P is equal to V square by R. Correct? P is equal to V square by R and R is equal to V square by. So this V you have to substitute 220 by whole square by. This P value is 100 watts. Depending on units you have to say. So we are calculating resistance of the bulb. So resistance of the bulb we have to use power, this one 100 and voltage, rated voltage we have to do. So 220 into 220 by 100. 0, 0, 0, 0 will be cancelled. So 20 to 20 goes. So almost you will be getting 484 ohms. This is the resistance of the bulb. Now we are finding what is the power consumed by the bulb. This is power consumed by the bulb. So see, formula is going to be same. But now this V value is 110. Okay. So V value is 110. 110 into 110 by 484. So this one you can calculate. So 11. 11 is going to be cancelled. 1 11 is 11. So 4 11 is 44. So 40. So this one, how much you will be getting? So 4 times 40. So 100 by 4. So 25 watts. So this is one method. They give another method also because power is directly proportional to V square. Power is directly proportional to V square means this value. So power of the bulb by rated power. Voltage of the bulb by given voltage. So whole square. Because this is V. Understood? V square therefore V square. This is voltage bulb is 220 volts. Given voltage is 110 volts. Power of the bulb they gave 100 watts. This P we should calculate. If you use this formula also you will be getting same answer. Next, in the question number B they ask, calculate the following for a 100 watts to 200 volts bulb. 100 watts in V. 100 watts, 200 volts. That is the rated power and voltage. Next, they are asking first one, resistance of the filament of the bulb. So resistance of this bulb. Again, same formula you are going to use. RB is equal to VB square by P. So power of the rated power of the bulb. So VB value how much they gave? 200. 200 into 200 by power value 100. So how much you got? 400 ohms. Isn't it? So you got 400 ohms. Next they are asking current through the bulb when it is connected to 200 volts line. So what they are asking, current through the bulb when it is connected to 200 volts. Applied voltage is how much now? 200 volts. What is the current value they are asking? We know power, voltage, current relation. E is equal to VI. So E is equal to P by V. So a P value how much? Power they gave 100. Voltage they gave 200. That is nothing but 1 by 2, 0.5 amperes. That is option 2. Third option they give power consumed when bulb is connected to 100 volts line. So power consumed when bulb is connected to 100 volts. Now applied voltage how much? Applied voltage 100 volts. Again, you should do like this. First, we have to calculate resistance of the bulb of this one. How much you got resistance of the bulb? 100. Now power P is equal to V square by R. So always we are taking power P is equal to V square by R. But for which case we are substituting, you should take care well. Otherwise, instead of calculating this one, if you substitute this V value here, this one means it is going to become wrong. So you should take care. So resistance of the bulb means voltage of the bulb and power of the bulb. Okay. So now this applied voltage how much? 100. 100 into 100. Resistance how much you got? 400. 100 by 4 means 25 watts. So that is about example 23. Next I told you that page number 94, thermoelectricity, the Faraday's laws and LC circuits we are not going to discuss here. Okay, directly we are going level 1. So these LC circuits after completion of AC, we can understand that there we will discuss. Okay, so come to page number 99, exercise level 1. So see the first problem. In a gas discharge tube, 5 into 10 power 19 electrons are flowing per second from left to right. Okay, so and 3 into 10 power 19 protons are flowing per second from right to left through a given cross section. The magnitude and direction of current through the cross section. So they are asking both magnitude and direction. Already in example problems we did. 5 into 10 power 19, 3 into 10 power 19, 5 into 10 power 19, 3 into 10 power 19. So among all the which is electrons, which are protons. So 5 into 10 power 19 electrons. These are nothing but protons. Electrons, how those are moving? From left to right. Left to right. These are moving from right to left. What is the current value means? I is equal to charge by time. Time value they gave second. Charge means total here protons and electrons will be there. So how many protons are there means 3 into 10 power 19. Therefore, Np into P plus Ne into E. Number of electrons, number of protons. So T value is 1. So Np value how much? 3 into 10 power 19. Charge of proton 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 plus number of electrons 5 into 10 power 19. 1.6 into 10 power minus 19. Charge of electron, charge of proton both will be same only, but magnitude is different. So by 1. So these two will be cancelled. So 1.6 into 3. 4.8. Correct only? 16 3 plus, so 16 into 5. 90? 90 only or 80? 80. So 6 5s are 30, 1 5s are 5 plus 3 80. So means 8.0, one decimal place. 4.8 plus 8 point. Then 12.8. 12.8 amperes. But this direction also they are asking. 12.8 amperes. How many options they gave? 2 options they gave. Okay. So both 3 and 4 are there. So 3 and 4 means in second option right to left. In fourth option left to right. So we will take current direction always in the how positive charge is moving, isn't it? So we will connect a battery like this. How we will take current direction? from positive to negative. In this direction, protons will be moving. So always current will be in the direction of protons. How protons are moving here? Right to left. Therefore, so answer is right to left. Option 2. See the second one simple one you can only solve. The charge flowing in a wire is given by 3t square minus 2t plus 7c. The electric current at a time t is equal to 2 seconds. 3t square minus 2t, t is equal to 3t square minus 2t plus 7c. 7c only here. Plus 7c. So the electric current means we came to the equation I is equal to dq by dt. So differentiate this one. You came to know differentiation very well. So 60 minus 2. This is constant. So derivative of constant is 0. So current they are asking at time 2 seconds only. So 2 seconds they are asking means 2 seconds only. 2 seconds they give. Therefore 6 into 2 minus 2. So 12 minus 2. So 10 amperes. So 10 amperes is the answer. Okay. Now question number 3. The current in a conductor varies with time as I is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 4. I is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 4. Correct only? Where I is in ampere, t is in second. Electric charge flowing through a section of conductor during time t equal to 1 second to 2 seconds. 1 second to time t is equal to 2 seconds. So actually this is we have to do integration. Mathematics people I think they have started. Otherwise we did in first PU only already. So I is equal to what we get to know dq by dt is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 4. dq is equal to 3t square plus 2t plus 4 into dt. Remember these formulas. Integral x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Between the limits are there means. So b power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus a power n plus 1 by n plus 1. So this one also we should apply limits between 1 and 2 seconds. So integration on both sides. So integral dq, integral dx is x, integral dq is q. So integral 3t square dt plus integral 2t dt plus integral 4 dt between the limits 1 to 2. Here this is 3 is constant, t square dt, this formula you have to apply, n plus 1 by n plus 1. Here in place of x t is there, t power 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 between the limits 1 to 2. Here t is constant right outside, t power 1 is there, therefore t power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1 between the limits 1 to 2 plus 4 is constant. Outside you can write dt. Integral dx is x. Therefore, integral dt is t. Okay. So 3. Here t cube. T cube means first we have to substitute upper limit. So 2 cube by 3 minus 1 cube by 3 plus the t square is there. 2 square by 2 minus 1 square by 2 plus 4 into 2 minus 1. First we have to substitute upper limit. This x value we have to substitute b, later we have to substitute a. Okay. So 3 will be cancelled. This 3 will be cancelled here. 2 will be cancelled here. So 2 cube minus 1 cube. 8 minus 1, 7 plus 4 minus 1, 3 plus 2 minus 1 is 1 plus 4. 7 plus 7, so 14. What are the units? 14 coulombs. That is option 4. Next are match the column. Match the column means already you can know all those equations. Any equation you can take once. Ohm's law. So Ohm's law, resistivity, conductivity, mobility. So what is resistivity? So resistivity means rho equation they are asking in terms of m n e square to conductivity, sigma equation, mobility, Ohm's law. You remember Ohm's law? different form of Ohm's law. E is equal to IR, J is equal to sigma E is equal to rho J. So which equation is there for Ohm's law? Ohm's law means J is equal to sigma E. So option D is matching with 1. Option D is matching with 1. Two options are there. So you can know remaining equations. Mobility. What is mobility? Drift velocity by the amount of drift velocity by applied electric field. So that is option 2 it is going to become. So fourth one is matching. That is theory question. So next, the potential difference is applied across the ends of a metallic wire. If the potential difference is reduced to half, the drift velocity is, see there, the potential difference is reduced to half. What is the drift velocity? What is the drift velocity equation we came to know? Vd is equal to E by m into, so I told you to write all formulas at one place, then we can see this equation there if you wrote means E by m into, they are asking drift velocity and potential difference. Therefore here electric field is there. So we get to know electric field and potential difference. E is equal to V by substitute. Vd is equal to E V tau by mv. So this V is potential. This Vd is drift velocity. It is directly proportional. Vd is directly proportional to V. So Vd 1 by Vd2 is equal to V1 by V2. This is the form. Now potential they are reducing half or 1 by 4. Potential difference is reduced to half. Is reduced to half means you can substitute V1 by. So V1 by that is nothing but 2. So Vd2 is equal to Vd1 by 2. So drift velocity is also going to become half. This much also not required. So this is directly proportional. Therefore, if it is reduced means it will also reduce. If it is increased means this will also increase. Okay. Next, the total momentum of electrons in a straight wire of length 5 meters carrying a current of 4 amperes. So they are asking momentum of electrons. What is momentum formula? Product of mass and velocity. Here velocity means you have to take drift velocity. They are asking momentum. They give length 5 meters, current 4 amperes. Length 5 meters, current 4 amperes. They are asking momentum. The product of mass and drift velocity. So drift velocity and current relation you will be having. So this is in terms of electric field, because here we want potential, therefore we took this equation. But in this, so they give current and length. Therefore drift velocity and current relation. Let remember I is equal to N E A V D. V D is equal to I by N E A. So this is drift velocity. Next, mass. So mass of the electron, isn't it? So electrons are moving, mass of the electron you should take. Next, how many number of electrons are there? We can't say that is one electron. The total momentum of electrons they ask. How many number of electrons are there means we will assume already here n we came to know. Total number of electrons will be capital N. So this small n is equal to n by V, n by A. I think you remember this one by derived. We got when we derived this equation we used all this. So how many number of electrons are there means capital N. Therefore you should multiply. So momentum of all electrons they ask, not one electron. Therefore n m Vd value is I by n E A, because we want length and current. Equation should be in terms of length and current. So what is capital N value here? Capital N is NaL into m into I by NeA. So this and this n will be cancelled. So not L. A will be cancelled. And P is equal to Lm I by E. This is the formula. Now we have to substitute length value. Length value how much? 5 meters. So mass of the electron. Mass of the electron how much? 9.1 into 10 power minus 31 kg. So current value they gave 4 by 1.6 into charge of the electron 10 power minus 90. So this one you should calculate. So 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 value we came to know. What is 1 by 1.6 into 10 power minus 19 value? 6.25 into 10 power 18 into 5 fours are 20 into 9.1 into 10 power minus 31. So minus 31 plus 18. So almost you can take this one 9, this one 6. Because in competitive exam they won't allow calculators. So multiply this one, we will be getting answer. Okay. See the question number 7. The color code for resistor of resistance 3.5 kilo ohms with 5%. 3.5 kilo ohm with 5%. Whenever they give 5%, 5% which one will be having gold, silver, no color. So 5% is having gold. So with gold, how many options will be having? 1 and 2. Therefore, we have to check. 1 and 2 means up to now we did by using colors we got resistance. By using numbers we should know what are the order of the colors. 3.5 into kilo means 10 cube. So always first two you should have digits. You should not take decimal. 110 you can multiply here. So 35 into 10 square. Correct only? So 110 if you multiply means it is going to become 10. So 3. So 3 is having which color? So B, B, R. This is not 3. This is 2. 0, 1, 2, 3. B, B, R, O. O refers orange. So orange is there. First option the orange is there. Therefore next thing you don't need to see. Directly you can go for option 1. If you want to see means this is 5. B, B, R, O, Y, G. Okay. So G means green. So already we got the answer. You don't need to worry about that. Next question number 8. 3 metallic wires have same length. Have length and area of cross section LA, 3L, A by 4, 2L, A by 3. The resistance is maximum in which? So they have given 3 wires. So first wire, length and area. Question number 8. Second wire, they gave 3L, A by 4. Third one they gave 2L, A by 3. What they are asking? So the resistance is maximum for which wire they are asking. So what is the resistance formula in terms of L and E? So we can know R is equal to rho L by A. Do you remember this equation? So resistivity, so directly proportional to L, so inversely proportional to A. So R is equal to rho L by A. So first we substitute for first one. R1 is equal to rho L is L only, rho L by A. Second one we will substitute L. R2 is equal to, in place of L, 3L. Rho into, in place of L, 3L. In place of A by 4. Then this 4 is going to numerator. So 4 3s are 12 rho L by A. If we compare these two, which is having more, this is rho L by A, this is 12 rho L by A. Therefore, this is having maximum. If we compare these two, so we will take this one also. R3. Rho is rho only because they gave 3 metallic wires. We can't take rho 1, rho 2, rho 3. Okay, 3 metallic wires they gave because it is made up of same metal. Therefore, so rho L value 2L. This is A by 3. If it is going to numerator 6 rho L by A. Correct? So 6 rho L by A, 12 rho L by A, rho L by A. Now which is having maximum resistance? So this wire is having maximum resistance. So the wire of length 3L, the wire of length 3L is having maximum resistance for this question. Okay. Next is the question number 9. 3 wires having same area of cross section. All the wires will be having same area of cross section. And the length 3L, 2L, L. 3L, 2L, L are connected in series. If their resistivities are rho 1, rho 2 and rho 3, then the equivalent resistivity of the combination there. So then they give 3 wires. So 3 wires they connected. 3 wires means each wire is having some amount of resistance. We will take this is R1, R2, R3. Area is same. Area is same. Length is 3L, 2L, L. 3L, 2L, L. Resistivity of this one. Rho 1, rho 2, rho 3. Then, so what is the equivalent resistivity? We can apply equivalent resistance. What is the equivalent resistance formula? Rs is equal to R1 plus R2 plus R3. R1 formula we get from here. Rho L by A. So R1 is equal to rho 1 L1 by A. Rho 1 L1 by A. Because area of cross section is same. What is this L1 value means 3L. That one we substitute later. Plus rho 2 L2 by A plus rho 3 L3 by A. So what is LHS? What is LHS means resultant RS, therefore rho S. So what is the length? Total length from here to here, that is nothing but L1 plus L2 plus L3. Area of cross section is same. So resultant wire is also having same area of cross section. Okay. So A will be cancelled. Then rho S into L1 value how much? 3 plus 2L plus L. 3 plus 2 5, 5 plus 1 6L is equal to rho 1 into 3L plus rho 2 into 2L plus rho 3 into L. Okay. So in this L is common. So L will be cancelled in LHS and RHS. Then rho S into 6 is equal to 3 rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 plus rho 2. Then rho S is equal to 3 rho 1 plus 2 rho 2 plus rho 3 by 6. So that is the resultant. So option 3. Next, if radius of cylindrical conductor is increased by 0.2%, the percentage change in its resistance. So radius of cylindrical wire. Radius of cylindrical wire means I give this formula. Length means directly proportional to L square. Area means inversely proportional to A square. Radius means R power 4. So the percentage is less than 5%. Therefore, how we will take delta R by R into 100 is equal to 4 into delta R by R into 100. So 4 into 0.2 they give us 0.2. Therefore, so percentage change in resistance is 0.8%. That is question number 10. Next, question number 11. A set of n identical resistors, each of resistance capital R, when connected in series, has an effective resistance R1. When the resistance are connected in parallel, the effective resistance is R2. Then they are asking relation. So R1 is when is in series, R2 is when is in parallel. All are having equal resistance. R1 in series formula R plus and so on R. That is NR because n identical resistors they get. So parallel means 1 by R2 is equal to 1 by R plus and so on 1 by R. Then 1 by R2 is equal to how many 1 by R's are there? N 1 by R's. Then R2 is equal to R by R. So directly also you can remember, no need to do like this. If you remember well, so equal resistors are connected means we gave in node 1, node 2, node 3. So R by N, NR. They are asking relation between R1 and R2. Therefore, multiply these two. Multiply and divide, that is your wish. R1 into R2 is equal to R1 value NR. R2 value R by N. N will be cancelled. Isn't it? Then R is equal to root R1 R2. Which option is they gave? They gave option 4. 4 is correct. Okay. See the next question. 12. the equivalent resistance between E and B. So they gave here AB, here they gave X. So in capacitors already we discussed this model. So see here, this end and this end connected to the same point. Whenever these two ends are connected to same point, so this one also see. So 6 ohm is connected here, 6R is connected here. A resistor always you should connect this one with another resistor like this. So this resistor is connected like this. Both the ends connected like this. Then that resistor will not be working. So one end should be connected somewhere, second end should be connected somewhere. Here both ends connected to same point means, so these two will not work. So remaining circuit is this one. If these are also not working, therefore this is 18R here. See here, this 9R one end is connected here for A. 18R one end is connected here for A. Second end, the second end is connected for B. The second end is connected for B. Therefore, how 9R and 18R connected means in parallel. Okay. So therefore, if you want to draw means by removing these two, you can draw. You will be getting idea. So parallel means what is the formula? R1 R2 by R1 plus R2. So R1 R2 means 18R into 9R by. So 18 plus 9. 27. So 1R will be cancelled. So 3 times 6 times. Therefore final answer is 6R. So very important one. This one will be a short circuit. Both the ends are connected to same point. Next one, question number 13. In 13, the equivalent resistance between A and B of the following circuit. Each resistance value they gave. Here each resistance value is 4 ohms. This one we can solve in so many ways by connecting this one to a battery. But simple ways I can give already star delta connection also we discussed. Star delta connection for triangle. So that method also you can do. So you can divide this one into two halves. So this left side part, right side part will be same. I already gave for you, if a resistor is divided equally, this R means this left part is going to become R by 2. This right part is going to become R by 2. If you divide equal parts. Therefore I divided equal. Now this resistance value. Same diagram I am drawing here for you people to understand. So this is half ohm, R by 2. So this is R by 2. We connected it. So now see this one. This is like which conversion? This by this. R. So R by 2 is equal to R by R by 2. Then which one we can remove? So we can remove this one. Correct only? Then these two connected in series. These two connected in series. R plus R by 2. R plus R by 2. 3 by 2 R plus R by 2. That is also 3 by 2 R. How these two connected? So these two connected in parallel. This 3R by 2, 3R by 2. So two equal resistors connected in parallel means, so resultant resistance in this half means 3 by 2 by 2. That is nothing but 3 by 4R. Now we got LHS. RLHS also same. This is R by 2, R by 2, R. Therefore this one we are going to remove here. Again you will get right side also 3R by 4. Right side part I am saying, this part. This is 3R by 4. This is 3R by 4. If you add this, because these two are connected in series. Series means so 3R by 4 plus 3R by 4. So 2 times of 3R by 4. That is nothing but 3 by 2R. What is R value there? R value there 4 ohms. So 3 by 2 into 4. So this is nothing but 6 ohms. So this is one way. So you got answer? 6 ohms. Next, if you want to solve in other way we start at the connection. Compared to all those, this is only easy. This will be applicable whenever this resistance, all resistors are equal here and balancing condition should be satisfied. So if they give R by 2, it is going to become. Here we remove this one because balancing condition satisfied. So another one is star delta connection. Already, so we discussed that one. It is going to become like this. Okay, whenever it is going to become like this, so from here you can draw this one here. This is from here. This is from here. It is going to become like this. And this. In place of these three, we got these three. Okay, this is our. Now these two we are trying. So from where we are starting? So this is A, this is D, this is C. So from C to F, this resistance R. That one as it is we are trying. R. So from D to E. So C to F. This is nothing but R. So D to E, that is nothing but R. These values I will write. For these values I gave equation for it. Okay. Next, this one also is going to become like this. So E, F, B. So this one. Next this one. Next this one. This is B. Okay. Next this is nothing. This is F. Okay. Now we have to find resistance between A and B. This is R. This is R. Now what are these values? I gave the formula for you like this. So R1, R2, R3. So whenever it is going to become like this, A, B, C. This is A, this is B, this is C. Okay. So B you are taking means in between R1 and R2. Therefore B is going to become, this resistance is going to become R1 R2 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So already this formula I gave for it. So this A is in between R1 and R3. Therefore R1 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. So this C is in between R2 and R3. Therefore this value is going to become R2 R3 by R1 plus R2 plus R3. But here all resistance values they gave equal R. Therefore here what is the value of this one? This one will be same. Now we will see what is the value of this one. So R into R by 3R. R into R by 3R means you will get this is R by 3, R by 3, R by. So this is R by 3, R by 3, R by. So now you can solve this one. It is very simple now. So these three connected in series. I am not solving, you have to solve. These three connected, you should get same answer. You will be getting same answer. I want which one is easy for you, like that you can do. So these three connected in series. These three connected in series. Means these two connected in parallel. Again these three connected in series. Just you can substitute R value 4, you will be getting same answer. Okay. See the next question. 14. Question number 14. The equivalent resistance between points A and B with the switch S is open and closed are respectively. First they are opening switch S. This is S. So when opened, what is the resistance? When it is closed, what is the resistance? If it is open means this second end of this 12 ohm resistance. First end is connected A. Second end is free. Therefore, this one won't be within the circuit when switch is opened. Okay. So second is not connected. We discussed in capacitors also. When second end is not connected, so we discussed some problems also on that. So therefore, this resistor won't be there within the circuit. Only 4 resistors are there. 9, 18, 9, 18. Then how these are connected? We have to see. Okay. How these are connected means here 9 and 18. These 2 points are connected at A. There is 1. This is 1. 1 and 1 connected at A. Next, this is 1 means this is going to become 2. 2 is connected at D. Next, this is connecting here. Therefore, so all 2 points connected at one place. All first points connected at A. Therefore, how these two in parallel? I will draw diagram once we will see. So I am taking 9 ohm. 9 ohm. This is 1. This is 2. So this point is A. So next 18 ohm. 18 ohm first end is connected for A. Second end is connected for C. This is connected for D. Okay. Now these two connected in parallel. Now see, for D and C they are connected to another 2 resistors. That is nothing but B. So this is 1, this is 1. Okay, and this is 2, this is 2. All two ends connected at D. Therefore, from here 18 ohms. 18 ohms. The second end is connected for B. 1, 2. This is first and second end. This is 9 ohms. So because this is open, therefore this resistor we remove. This 12 ohm won't come within the circuit. Now, how these two connected? Parallel. So these two connected parallel. So what is the formula? RP is equal to R1 R2 by R1 plus R. So 18 into 9 by 9 plus 18, 27. So 3 9s are 27, 6 ohm. This one also you will get 6. This one also you will get 6. Okay. So how 6 and 6 connected? 12 ohm. So when switch is open, 12 ohm, you will be having options 2, 2 and 3. Therefore second one also you have to solve. Second one, this 12 ohm resistor when switch is closed. Like this, first end is connected at A, second end is connected at B. First end is connected, this is 12 after closing the switch. So this resistance is how much? 6 plus 6, 12. This is 12, this is 12. 12 and 12 connected in parallel. Okay, 12 and 12 connected in parallel means 12 by 2. That is nothing but 6 ohms. Therefore, without switch open, 12 ohms. After switch closed, means with switch open, 12 ohm. After closing the switch, 6 ohm. Next question number 15. 3 wires A, B, C are connected in parallel across a source of EMF. The lengths and radius of the wire are in the ratio 12:8:9. Length L1 is to L2 is to L3. 12:8:9. Next, they gave radii R1 R2 643 R1 R2 R3 6:4:3. So 643 12 8 9. So the ratio of currents passing through the wire there. So I1 is to I2 is to I3. How they connected means parallel. So when those are connected in parallel, question number 15. What is the current ratio? I1 is to I2 is to I3 is equal to 1 by R1 is to 1 by R2 is to 1 by R2. What is the R formula? R is equal to rho L by A. Those wires are made up of same material. Therefore, rho will be same. Therefore, we will remove rho. Only L and A will take. L and A means L by pi R square. So L by R square. Because pi and rho constant, we are taking resistance value L by R square. R is L by R square means 1 by R is R square by L. Because ratio we are doing like this. So here R1 square by L1, R2 square by L2, R3 square by L2. So L1 is to L2 is to L3. So 12, 8, 9. That is nothing but L1 value is going to become 12L. L2 value 8L. L3 value 9L. R1 value 6R, 4R, 3R. 6R, 4R, 3R. Therefore substitute R1 square. R1 square means 6R whole square is divided by L1. L1 means 12L is to R2. R2 is nothing but 4R whole square by 8L is to R3 value 3R. 3R whole square by L3 9L. So without taking that L and R also you can take. So but sometimes this will be helpful for some problems. Therefore I gave like that. So 6 square 36 by 12 R square by L. Because among all R square by L is common. We want ratio therefore. 4 square 16 by 8 9 by 9. So 3 is to 2 is to 1. So that is ratio of currents. 3 is to 2 is to 1. So maybe option 4. So 3 is to 2 is to 1. Next question number 16. Okay, we will see question number 16. So in that diagram is there. Therefore, see the next question, question number 16. Very important model. find exam point of view also. So in diagram, the potential at point O, at this point O, what is the potential they are? So they have given here 30 volt, 20 volt, minus 10 volt. So take points A, this is B, this is C. Here 5 ohm is the resistance. Whenever potential difference applied, some amount of current is flowing here. That is nothing but I. Whenever it is entering here, in this I1, we are taking I2 because it is a junction. Kirchhoff's first law we can apply at junction. I is equal to I1 plus I2. So what is I? I is equal to V by R. V by R means change in potential. VA minus V0 by R. Now I is equal to VA minus V0 by R is equal to I1. So I1 means this one. So always current is here direction O to B. Therefore V0 minus VB. Okay. Here we have taken VA minus V0. Here we should take V0 minus VB because in the direction we have to take. So V0 minus VB by R. So here some value, resistance value. Plus in this time V0 minus VC by R. You should not cancel all these R's because we have taken some values. Otherwise R, you can take this one R1, this one you can take R2 because I1, I2 is not there. So VA value, potential VA how much? 30. So 30 minus V0. We have to find V0. Remaining all we get to know. Therefore substitute. 30 minus V0 by R value how much here? 5. V0 minus VB value how much? 20 is divided by R1. R1 means this is also 5 plus V0 minus VC. V0 minus VC value minus 10. Therefore minus 10 is divided by 1. Now 30 minus V0 by 5 is equal to. So here you can take LCM. V0 minus 20 plus 5 into V0 plus 10 is divided by 5. So we have taken here LCM 5. So 1 V0 minus 20. Here 1, therefore 5 into V0 minus into minus plus. Okay. So this 5 will be cancelled. 30 minus V0. 30 minus V0 is equal to here V0 minus 20 plus 5 V0 plus 5 into 10, that is nothing but 50. So V0 plus 5 V0, 6 V0 plus 30, isn't it? So this V0 will be going this side, is going to become 30 minus 30, 7 V0, 30 minus 30, 0. 7 V0 equal to 0 means V0 value is 0. Here potential at this point O is 0, that is option 4. Next, question number 17. In the previous problem, ratio of currents in the three resistances there are. Ratio of currents in the three resistances means I is to I1 is to I2. What is I value? VA minus V0 by R. What is VA value? 30. Now V0 value we got how much? 0. Therefore 30 by 5. I is equal to, so 30 by 5, 6 amperes. Next I1 value, so 0 minus VB by R. How much? Minus 20 by 5. I1 is equal to minus 20 by 5 minus. So that minus is giving only direction, you don't need to worry about minus. Next I2 value, V0 minus VC. That is nothing but I2 is equal to 0 minus 10. That is nothing but, so 10 by distance value 1. So 6 is to 4 is to 10. So 3 is to 2 is to 5. So 3 is to 2 is to 5. Option 1. Here minus we got, but this minus means we have taken wrong direction. Therefore you may get negative. So with the negative you don't need to worry in current. Okay. Next is the question number 18. So they have given circuit diagram. They have given 1, 2, 3, 4 options. Which options are correct? Again they give 4 options. VA equal to VB, I equal to 5 ampere, VA greater than VB. First we will find how much current it is going to be in. They gave this is I. So what is the I value means total resistance we have to find. These two connected in series. 12 plus 6, 18. So these two connected in series. 6 plus 3, 9. So 9, 18. So these two connected. 9, 18 connected in parallel. Therefore, so 9, 18 parallel means RP is equal to so 9 into 18 by 27. 6 ohms. Already we did so many times. Now in place of this two resistor values, we got 6 ohms. In addition to this one is there. 2 ohms, 6 ohms. Now these two, how these two connected? These two connected in series. 6 plus 2, 8. Therefore, I is equal to V by R. So 40 by 8 means 5 amperes. So I value 5 amperes. Now they are asking VA VB relation. They are asking. This point we can assume C. This point we can assume D. So you can apply Kirchhoff's laws. This is I1. Remaining current 5 minus I1. Isn't it? I1 is going like this means remaining current 5 minus I1. So loop rule will be there now like that. So we are going like this. Current direction also same. Then minus 3 I1. Minus 6 I1. So we are coming like this. Current direction also same. Minus 2 into this current value how much? In this 5. 2 into 5 10. Negative to positive. Therefore plus 40 is going to become 0 because we want I1 value. Then only you will be getting. This is I1, 6 I1. Minus 6 minus 9 I1 minus 10 plus 40 is equal to 0. Okay, minus 9 I1 plus 30 equal to 0. Minus 9 I1 equal to minus 30. I1 is equal to 30 by 9. So 30 by 9 means so 10 by 3 amperes. This is 10 by 3 means this is 5 minus 10 by 3. So how much you get? 5 by 3. So in this current is 5 by 3. They are asking what is the relation? VA minus VC. VA minus VC. We are taking the opposite direction. VA minus VC opposite direction. Therefore it is going to become plus. VA minus VC means current into resistance. What is current value here? I1 value how much you got? 10 by 3 into 3. So 10 volts. Next, in this VC minus VB. Because we want relation between V and VB. So VC minus VB in the direction. In the direction means this is going to become negative. Isn't it? Here current value how much? 5 by 3 into 6. 5 by 3 into 6. This value is going to become negative. How much will you get? So 2 times minus 10. If you add these two, VC will be cancelled. And VA minus VB is equal to 0. And VA is equal to VB. Therefore, VA equal to VB, I is equal to 5 amperes. So option 1 is correct. Okay.